Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla. Today is the 8th day of Planmas, and we're going to be talking about building a vision board in the Intentional Growth Planner. And so this is a planner that I have available if you want to check it out. It's linked in the description below for Goodnotes. It's in a PDF as well, so you can use it with any note-taking app. And also you can use it in OneNote. So this is it in OneNote. So far, we've inserted the monthly planning pages, the weekly planning pages. I've showed you the purpose and my ideal day template in the Goodnotes version. This is the wellness wheel that we've done in OneNote to show like where things are going well in our life, where they could be better, and what we can do about it to create self-awareness. We've gone over the goal setting template, and I've used my Bluetooth keyboard to show you how to type in the planner. We've done the habit tracker. We've also talked about doing gratitude and affirmations every single day and how to use these pages. The journal pages, we talk about the artist's way, morning pages, and also this is another way to develop self-awareness. And then today we're going to be doing the vision board. So I've copied some vision boards in here that I've done in the past, and I wanted to talk about why you would want to do a vision board and what you should put in it. And I'm also going to build it a little bit. I'm going to show you how you can build it in Goodnotes. So this is OneNote, just to start out with. A good thing to put on your vision board would be your goals and your purpose. So really thinking about ways to showcase what are your goals, what are your purpose, what is your purpose. You can write it out in words or text, but also you can use motivational quotes and images. Really, your vision board is supposed to really shout your why at you. Why do you have these goals? Why is it that this is your purpose? And the point is to create an emotion for you. When we have an emotion tied to our goals, that creates a deeper meaning for reaching our goals and being intentional about growing. We are far more likely to accomplish those goals rather than if it's just a surface level goal. So think about like the experiences, the feelings that you have once you reach that goal versus just like the metric of obtaining it. And that's what you want to put on your vision board. You can go to Pinterest for these images or quotes or thoughts. You can also put pictures of your real life. If a goal has to do with your family, put a picture of your kids. One time I had a vision board that included my kitchen remodel. I had a picture of the countertop that I wanted, a picture of the color of the cabinets I wanted. So really any way that you can really truly visualize what it is that you're striving for. And when you think about your personal or your professional growth, you want to visualize where you want to be. So your future self. And the idea is that you want to become that person now. You want to use this vision board every day to look at it to see like, okay, here is what I'm striving for, and then step into this person's shoes. So really, sorry, my notes are so circled all over the place. Like I said, I had a hard time uploading this video, so I already talked through this, but you can see circled in the pink that I'm talking about stepping into their shoes. So if a person, say your goal is to be a successful entrepreneur, then you want to work backwards and think like, what does a successful entrepreneur do and how do they think every single day? And put that on your vision board and start doing those things today. That's how you become that person, by actually being them now and stepping into their shoes. And the vision board is going to help you not only manifest it, but actualize it, make it come to fruition and see it. So you can see a past vision board of mine, very colorful. It has all my logos and different brand colors. It also has motivational quotes and some writing on it. So this is just one example from an old notebook that I have that you can look at to create a vision board. Now I'm going to show you in the Goodnotes app. So I haven't showed Goodnotes as much during the 12 days of Planmas, but the Goodnotes app, everything is linked, and so you'll find the vision board in the purpose section and vision board, and I have a couple started. So I started writing here, and I actually inserted another page blank to kind of build while I'm on this video with you guys. So let's say you want to import a picture. Maybe you want to use Pinterest. Make sure you've recently had the Pinterest app open. If you're interested in my Pinterest, go check it out. I do save quite a bit on leadership there. And so what you can do is if you have the Goodnotes app or the OneNotes app open, you can flip up from the bottom of your screen, slide up, and then hold on the Pinterest app and make it split screen. Oh my goodness, here we go. All right, so now it's a split screen and I can kind of peruse my images. Say I really like this quote. Let's see. What I could do is hit the ellipsis on the top and hit download image. And then I could be in the editing mode. I could hit the images here. And I could insert this image onto my vision board, make it any size I want, and put it right there. And that's how I would start to build my vision board. You can also start to write on it. So maybe you want to add an inspirational quote. And people have a lot of fun. They just like overlap things here. They might put a picture of something that's really motivational to them, overlapping quotes. And it's however you want to do it. If you're more creative, you can make it all blended. If you're more linear, you can make it more structured. It's totally up to you. But whatever you do, I would make it so that it evokes an emotion from you. And then part of your intentional growth practice would be every day you would come to this vision board, look at it, and then maybe close your eyes and imagine yourself being the person now that you want to strive to be. so stepping in, what's my ideal day like? What happens in the morning? And kind of play that just like a movie through your head, and that's going to get you in the mood to take action to do those things. So I would do this as part of your routine before you work on your business or you work on your personal growth. Maybe it's your morning routine, whatever it is, before you work out. And that's going to help you actualize whatever it is you're trying to bring about in this world. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow we have the next template planned. I believe it is the book review and the podcast page. So I'm super excited to check that out. And I look forward to another video. If you like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe so you don't miss the next day of Planmas. Everyone, take care.